Very good morning children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to explain about assignment 21 from 10th class. The topic is tangents and secants. So let us go for the first assignment question. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Right? So we'll take a figure. So the circle with center O and an external point is P. External point is P. And two tangents which can be drawn from the point P to the circle and will intersect the given circle at 2 points. The first point is A as well as B. Okay. So this is a given a circle with the center O and P is a point outside the circle. So PA and PB are the two tangents. Now what we need to prove? So by doing this we need to prove two tangents must be equal. That is PA which is equal to PB. PA which is equal to PB. How it is possible? So let's discuss that. The proof is, so first of all we have to join all these points. Let's take join O comma A and we can join O comma P as well as O comma B. O comma B. So what we'll get? So from triangle OAB, from triangle OAP and from triangle OBP. So we know the statement, the angle between the radius of circle and the length of the tangents always 90 degrees. So that I will take, so angle OAP which is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And so this OA as well as OB both are radius of circle, we can equate them. So that OA is equal to OB. And what about this OP? OP is the common side for those two right angle triangles, so that we can equate those two itself. That is OP is equal to OP because common side. Because it is common side. Because it is common side. Okay. So from triangle OAP and triangle OBP. So here it is one right angle triangle 90 degrees and two sides are equal. So two sides are equal. So that according to right hypotenuse side, that is RHS criterion. So we can equate these two triangles are congruent to each other. That is triangle OAP which is congruent to triangle OBP. So if those two triangles are congruent to each other, then we can equate their corresponding sides according to as per CPCT. As per CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, here OA is equal to OB and OP is itself is equal to common side, and what about third side which is a PA which is a common side, which is the corresponding side is BP. So that we have to equate them. PA which is equal to PP. So what is the statement? What is meaning of this one? This is two tangents are equal can be drawn from external point P to the circle. Let us discuss second question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumference a circle, then prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So for this figure, a circle it touches the given quadrilateral ABCD at four distinct points. These are P, Q or S. These are the point of contact of a given circle. So let's take a point A, B, C, D are the points or external points. From that points we can draw two tangents from every point. So here it is AS is one tangent and AP is one tangent. So when the given circle touches the given quadrilateral, so there exist basically four tangents. So what are the four tangents? AB and BC and CD and AD are the four tangents. What are the four tangents? Four tangents to a circle. Four tangents to a circle. Yes, at four distinct points. That is P, Q, or S. So after that, if you want to, as we know the theorem, so when two tangents, when it is possible, so when two lines can be drawn from a point, external point outside the circle, so that those two lines are equal, means the length of two tangents are always equal, which can be drawn from the external point which is lies outside the circle. So that if you take it is point A, so these two length of tangents are equal. That is AS is equal to AP and PB is equal to what? BQ. Similarly, CR is equal to CQ and DR is equal to DS. First we have to list out the pair of tangents. That is AP is equal to AS. This is the first equation. Let's take the next one. So, and these two tangents can be drawn from the point P, so that these lengths are equal. These lengths are equal. I can write that BP is equal to BQ. Let me take it as this is equation 2. Similarly, CR is equal to CQ also, because these two tangents can be drawn from point C. That is CR is equal to CQ. Let us consider this is third equation. Let's take DR is equal to DS. dr is equal to ds. Let me take it as this is equation 4. Now we have to add all these four equations. Add equation 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can add all the respective right side parts as well as left side part. That is AP plus BP plus CR plus DR, which is equivalent to, what is our RHS parts? That is AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. CQ plus DS. CQ plus DS. So let's rearrange this one. How can you write this? Is here AP plus BP, that is AP plus BP can be written as AB. So can be written as AB. So what about this one? This is AB. Next, what about CR plus DR? That is CR plus DR can be written as CD. That is CD is equal to, what about this one? So AS plus BQ, that is AS plus BQ. Once we have to rearrange this one to get the rest, that is AS plus DS is a 1P plus, next we can write BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ is one group. Okay, so from that AB plus CD is equal to, how can you write this is AS plus DS? AS plus DS can be written as AD plus BQ plus CQ, that is BQ plus CQ, it can be written as totally BC. So likewise we can prove this statement. So let us see the third question. From a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 12 cm and the distance of Q from the center is 13 cm. Then find the radius of circle. So here it is, the relevant figure is given. So what is the given that? So given that, so here it is, OP is perpendicular to PQ from triangle OPQ. That is from triangle OPQ. So here OP is perpendicular to PQ because the angle between radius as well as the tangent must be 90 degrees. Okay, so that I can write angle OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. So here we don't know the radius of circle OP, but is given OQ. The what OQ length is how much? OQ is equal to 13 centimeters and PQ is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. Okay, so actually this is the right angle triangle. First we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so according to Pythagoras theorem, so how to apply that one? That is square of hypotenuse, that is OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OP square plus PQ square. So what is the value of OQ? It is nothing but what? 13 square is equal to, we don't know that OP, right, as it is, PQ is 12 square. So let's simplify this one. 13 square will become 169. So OP square, right, as it is, plus 144. So we have to simplify this one. So OP square can be written as, so 169 minus 144, it is nothing but what? 25. That is OP square. This OP is nothing but what? A square root of 25. It can be written as, so that OP is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. This OP is the radius of given circle. These are the today assignment questions. Thank you.